All right, folks, known for pushing the boundaries of music tech, Teenage Engineering is back with their newest creation, the EP40. Joining me now are members Rodrigo Penchef and Emil
Kulenge.
My good friend. I knew that. Good morning to you both.
Good
Welcome
morning.
to Smile. How are you guys?
We're good.
And they brought this for me. Let me start with you, Rodrigo. What are we talking about here?
Basically, we're talking about a machine that is called the Rhythm Supertone.
Rhythm Supertone.
AKA EP40. And it's a machine where you can do beats, rhythms. I'm going to say rhythms. Packed with sounds, with presets, and also functions as loops. So you can build a whole song with this. You can use it in the studio for production. You could also use it live.
So it's not just like a drum machine or anything like that, or is it?
It's a drum machine too.
It's a drum machine.
Everything in one, I would say. And it's focused on dancehall and reggae. This is also easy to carry. You carry batteries, you can use it when you travel. It has a lot of effects like tape delays, reverbs, phaser.
Almost like a studio.
It's a studio. And the difference, not difference, I wouldn't say that, but a lot of people work with the computers. Mm-hmm. This is a little more hands-on,
okay,
where you can control it with your hands.
Yeah. Emil, who is this for?
I mean, I would say it's for both people that enjoy listening to music, but also for people that make music. So you could basically just open it up, plug in, put in some batteries and press play, and it's going to have like amazing sounds already. But if you're a producer, you might want to, add your own stuff and, tweak around a little bit more. So.
All right. Talk to me about that a little bit more, because yes, so I could press a button and I get a beat. But if I want a particular beat that I said, no, I want to, as you use the word tweak, how does that happen?
I mean, there's multiple ways, but like one way is to remove something that you don't necessarily like and just add your own things, and then we have a lot of like built-in effects and things that you can do to change the vibe of the sounds.
Yeah. So Rodrigo, I could just be a one-man band here.
Yeah.
I'd be just singing and you hear all kinds of stuff behind me and people are wondering, where are those folks?
Yeah, you can be a one-man band, but it's boring too. So, one-man band with somebody on the mic too, because you even have a mic, which is called ting. So you got the rhythm and ting.
All right, show me something.
For example, we have a preset. When you get this, it's loaded with presets.
So it comes with the preset. You don't put that in.
We have 9 presets,
okay,
and among them is the guy that's the legend that signed this is King Jamis. He's part of providing a little bit of the sounds. So the preset
would be like drum, guitar, horns,
loops,
all kinds of stuff. Yeah. All right.
For example, let us start with.
Does the numbers mean anything?
The numbers is good for you, so you remember where you've placed the stuff.
What's the drum? My number.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
In this case, we have 4 banks, which if you want to organize it, you say, okay, we put the drums here. The next one basically is the basses. Keys and melodies where you can play, and then you have the sound effects, the classical ones. Pull up, and you also have what do you call it? Dub siren type. We can control it, and it's press sensitive. Especially
give me a
for
rhythm.
dubbing.
Give me a
for this example, this is a rhythm here. And imagine you have like the classical mixing boards.
Yeah, we have them.
Yeah, let me say it.
Level.
This is a funny thing too, because you can tweak your voice a little bit, like this. Yo. Hello. So,
all right.
But for example, let me do it real quick. You can mute the drums. You can change the loop of the drums. You can take away, put in the bass, tweak it. Imagine you have like a large mixer board, and then probably you want to have some delay on the keys.
Oh, all right. So Emil, how long would it take the average Joe to learn this?
I mean, I'm not the sampler guy myself from the beginning. I was schooled in like cello and the guitar, so like for me it's a new type of machine just for myself, even working with the company. But I would say it's very fast to, since everything it's already built in with loops and stuff, and all the graphics helps you to get, you can't really make a lot of mistakes that,
Yeah.
I would say it's a quite easy learning curve, but you can also go to like expert mode if you like to. So.
Yep. Rodrigo, does the musician want this? The person who's been in the business, and does he want this?
I mean, when we first started to talk about this, we were here in Jamaica earlier this year, and we got a very good response. And me as a musician and producer, I fell in love with the idea. And now I really love how it's been processed. I mean, it has been developing in a nice way.
And accepted.
Accepted, yeah. Don't forget, we're gonna be at Weddy Weddy tonight, and we're gonna present this and use it. So it would be good if people that are interested would come out. But like he said, if you're a novice, you get music and sounds from it directly. If you're more professional, more deep into it, you will never finish learning it.
Yeah. Is this something that the first world countries would have, or this is something brand new right across the world?
I would say nobody has ever made, as far as we know, something that has this genre so clear. So I would say it's the first of its kind.
Okay.
So yeah.
How much is it?
I don't know yet.
That's also an important thing. It's not out yet, so it's out November the 4th, and we are still like in the last minutes of.
So I'm happy that you brought
deciding
one.
the price.
I'm happy that you brought one.
Yeah, it's early Christmas gift.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Tonight
at Weddy Weddy, and we're gonna have a lot of artists coming through, and so it'll be really nice and interesting. Like I said, the possibilities are endless, so don't forget about the rhythm and ting.
Ting, like ting. Yeah, right. Turn it up and play some music as we go for the break. Wait 1 second. Members of Teenage Engineering, Rodrigo Penchef and Emil.
Cool länge.
We'll soon come. Listen to some tune.